Hello students, yesterday I taught you lesson number 1 of your book 3 questions. I finished the chapter yesterday and today I am going to do the exercises with you. So first we will start from page number 10. This is comprehension check. First question in this is, why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? As I explained you in the lesson that because the king wanted to become a successful king, so he thought that if he would know the answer of 3 questions, he would be a successful king and he would never fail in any venture. So the answer would be, the king wanted to know answer to 3 questions because he thought that he would never fail in his life if he knew the right answers to his 3 questions. Answers you can write yourself also in your own language, but it should be correct, grammatically correct, and this also you can try. The second question, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. There are 4 alternatives are here. Options are given: to fetch wise men, to find answers to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. But as I explained you in the chapter, that he has not sent messengers to find the answer. He has announced a reward for the person who could give the right answer. So the right answer would be to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Now this is the all in page number 10. Now from page number 14. This is also comprehension check. So I want to finish this first also. Then we will start question answer. So in this comprehension check, this is the question ki complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box, which will be given in your book. You can see in your book the answers with the answer I am writing here. So first, many wise men answered the king's questions, and the right answer will be, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. So this will be the correct answer. From the box you have to choose this and then you have to fill here. And this way you can complete this sentence. Second, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. So the right answer will be, to complete the sentence, the someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. This will be the correct option for this. Now third, someone else suggested that the king should have timetable. And then you have to choose from the box and then you have to fill here. So what will be the correct answer? Someone else suggested that the king should have timetable and follow it strictly. Next, the king requested the hermit. Then again you have to choose from the box. So right answer will be, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. And the last one, the king washed the dressed, the bearded man's wound. And the one option is left, that is, but the bleeding would not stop flowing. So the students, this all in page number 10 and 14. 14 in page number 14, again there are some questions that we will do tomorrow. And so for that I will be again here. If you go through these exercises, if you have any problem, you can contact to me. My phone number is here, 947124661, between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you. Have a nice day.